Hi, welcome again, dear faculty colleagues. I, Chandrajan, would like to discuss about the outcome of this FDP in teaching learning process. As we all have been teaching for so long, we have done lots of experiments in our classes, and at times we fail, at times we succeed. But at the end of the day, the purpose of all these experiments is to enhance the teaching learning process and to make our students unable to be better in their education and in their lives. So how this FDP, how this foundation program in ICT can be helpful in enhancing your teaching learning process, I would like to share my own experience as I have been a part of this FDP since day one. As we all know that we all have different methods of teaching, and every one of us tries to give our best in our classrooms, but still we need to rethink now as how we can utilize the technology to make our education, to make our teaching learning process better. If in general I talk about teaching learning process, then initially teaching learning process was about to make students learned and to understand the facts and figures and to make them apply. But nowadays there is a huge challenge before the faculties, I believe everywhere, to engage the students into the studies, because now there is a lots of distraction points through around us. So to engage the students in the class, uh, obviously teaching learning becomes far better if students are more engaged into the concept. And in this point, this FDP can help you a lot, because the technology which we will be learning here, which we will be using in our classrooms, can be very helpful in engaging the students. And as we will be talking about peer assessment, as we will be talking about TPS activities, Moodle assignments, we will be doing OR creations, we will be creating lectures. So again, it will be very helpful for the students to explore the subject further, and even you can motivate your students, as you can send them in advance some lecture, and then you can expect them to explore more information about that. And then you can explain the concept in the class with the beforehand knowledge which you have already sent to them, give them some assignments, and also help them to apply this knowledge into the real time scenario. So when I talk about teaching learning process, the content of this FDP is very useful, because this will help you primarily to engage the students in teaching learning process. That is, I believe, the very first and most important objective of education. When I talk about my experience, if I share my experience with you all, so what have been the outcome of this FDP in teaching learning process for me? Now, the tools and techniques which have enabled me, there is more interaction between me and my trainer, my students, and it also helps to make students discuss and interact with among themselves also, because we do lots of activities where students judge themselves, where students evaluate themselves, where they discuss the solutions, and students have better understanding of the concepts when they do hands-on activities. Secondly, when students interact with their peers and they come up with some innovative solutions, so obviously it improves the cognitive and learning ability of the learners. A very important aspect of this FDP is that it enables faculty members to conduct assignments very easily. As Moodle is a platform where you can conduct your assignments very easily and it's also free of cost, again mentoring of the students become far easier, because when you have sent the material in advance, so it becomes for you to easy to interact in the class, because in the given time you can interact. Most importantly, you can motivate your learners to explore resources and enhance learning collaboration. As we all know that all the students in the class are not at par or at equal status, so we can help those who are performing well to help those students who are not doing that well, and to make them understand the facts better. So I believe if you participate in this FDP, enthusiastically, if you follow all the guidelines, complete the assignments, and you apply them in your classes, so teaching learning process will be surely enhanced. I wish you all the best in this journey, and I believe that I'll be able to contribute to something significant in your journey. Thank you very much. Vande Mataram.